How to add overlay in CapCut PC. First of all, import your main video to CapCut. Then add your video to timeline. Now add that video which you want to use as overlay video. Add overlay video in layer 2. Adjust your video length. Now click on the overlay video and then go to blend option. Click on normal below blank and then click on the overlay. Adjust overlay opacity. That's it. Here's the final result. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more. Thanks for watching.